story to tell you.
Have you ever had a quadrant that you could not pass, but you need to solve it to stay in this class? Let me tell you about some ways to keep you in math for the rest of your days. The first method is the square root. But for this, you will need to know your basic squares, like 4, 16, and 25. Next, you take the square root on both sides, or x will equal a plus or minus. The next method is the zero product property, where standard form comes in. Ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0 is where we start. You factor like we learned in the previous unit. Two multiples of c that add up to b. Now you have two groups equal to 0. You just have to add or subtract the second term, giving you different answers to put into brackets. You cancel quadratics, but I can show you some ways. Yeah, I can show you some ways. Oh, baby, you cancel quadratics, but I can teach you some ways to stay in this class. Oh, baby, you cancel quadratics, but I can teach you some ways. Yeah, I can teach you some ways. The next is the easiest. As long as you know basic math or have a calculator nearby, the first step is to put c on the other side. Next, you have to find half of b and put that in parentheses with x. Then you take the square root of half of b minus c. Now you will have an x plus a number equal to another number. Now the solution is simple. You isolate x, and now you got yourself an answer to put on the test. Now we are close to the end, but now you finally have to learn about the quadratic formula. It looks... I'm gonna stop. It looks a bit like this. Negative b plus or minus rad b squared times negative 4ac all over 2a. I know it seems scary, but you just plug in your numbers and you have yourself an answer to put on the test.